Powerhouse Turbomaxx Ultra 350 ampere. Let's unbox the Turbomaxx Ultra. Inside, you'll find the ground clamp, electrode holder, welding mask, wire brush and welding mask holder, user manual. Connect the ground clamp to the negative terminal and the electrode holder to the positive terminal of the welding machine. The Turbomaxx Ultra is built for heavy industrial use, designed with simple buttons and knobs perfect for those who prefer hassle-free operation without too many adjustments. Equipped with hot start, arc force, and resistance to voltage fluctuations. Also available in 250 ampere.